All right, here it is. Welcome to the second website in this course. We are creating the portfolio website. Now, this is a big jump up from what we've done in the last word counter website. What is this portfolio website supposed to do? Show yourself off. It's going to have like your name, picture, a little description about yourself, a button where people can email you, a little gallery showing all the previous things that you've worked on before, a link to go to like your social accounts, also to download your resume, and we're going to have a fully featured blog there so you can be making regular posts and people can kind of see what your thoughts are. So a whole lot is going into this website and you are going to learn so much in this section. We're going to be learning about virtual environments. We're going to be learning about databases in Postgres, the models that go with that, then the admin interface that we poked around with a little bit last time. Beyond that, we're going to learn how to work with static files and also allowing users to upload images. Like I said, there's a whole lot packed into this one. Oh, and I forgot, we're going to start making our websites look pretty by using Bootstrap. So a whole lot to dive into here, but you're going to love every second of it. Let's go ahead and start now.